Hello, in front of me I've got Kingdome Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to increase your repairs skills. Firstly, let's press P button and go to your skills. Find repairs. If you don't have any repair skills, go to any armorer you can find. Once you found armorer, talk to him, select training, repairs, and here you can learn slightly advanced, advanced or master. Learn basic skill for repairs, and then you can repair your gear. Make sure you've got money around because each training costs you. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.